Hi there, my name is Jen with TentCraft.
I'm Megan with TentCraft.
And we're going to show you how to set up our new media wall towers. First step is to unpack your pieces. Arrange all of the pieces according to size. Next, we're going to start with setting up the square base. Assembling the base square, start by creating a U shape. Take your last piece to enclose the square and connect your brackets, and then pop them in at the same time. This will alleviate stress on your bars so you don't have to move anything out of the way. Take your longest poles and you can start to build up. Once again, you're just going to use the push buttons to click into place. Depending on the size structure you choose, you may have one or two of these swedge pieces for each length. In this case, we have just one. Now we're assembling our top square. We're going to follow the same pattern that we did on the bottom. We'll create a C shape and then we'll come in with the last piece fully assembled. Now with your C shape assembled, we can come in with this last piece and close up the square. Line up the top square with your poles and pop them into place using the snap buttons. For outdoor applications, you may want to apply some ballasting. This is how you apply the rope and put a plate on to weight your media wall tower down. This fits like a pillowcase, so just pull your graphics over the hardware